Nestled in Victoria's high country, Whitfield is a hidden gem in the King Valley, a dream destination for wine lovers, nature seekers, and anyone craving a peaceful escape. Surrounded by rolling vineyards and winding rivers, this charming township offers a slice of La Dolce Vita right here in Victoria. Whitfield's story is steeped in Italian heritage. Migrant families who once farmed tobacco turned to grape growing and winemaking in the 1970s, laying the foundation for today's world-class wineries like Pizzini and Dal Zotto. From rustic trattorias to cellar-door feasts, there is no shortage of foodie delights, served with warm local hospitality. When it's time to unwind, there are plenty of places to stay. From the Mountain View Hotel to Valley View Caravan Park, 3 Black Sheds, and a variety of boutique cottages, all within walking distance of the town's wineries. Nature lovers are spoiled for choice. Paradise Falls, the King River, and Powers Lookout offer adventure, serenity, and stunning views steeped in local legend. Whether you're sipping wine, chasing waterfalls, or soaking in the views, Whitfield is where good wine, great food, and breathtaking landscapes come together.